SSCM Inbox is designed to enable you to handle your messaging needs without having to leave the app and go to LinkedIn.com to use the notoriously clunky messaging inbox. At the top of the inbox page, you will see a search box. Here, you can search your entire inbox by a first or last name. In the leftmost column of the inbox is the relation status indicator. Once you are connected to a specific prospect, you will see a green check in this column to indicate that you are connected. If you are not connected, this column will be blank. The second column from the left on the inbox page is the email status indicator. If SCCM has been able to access a prospect's email address on your behalf, you will see an email icon in this column. If you hover over the icon, the prospect's email address will be displayed. If no email address is currently available for the prospect in that row, this column will be blank. Similar to the way the email address works, everybody on LinkedIn can choose with whom they wish to share their phone number. If a phone number is available for a particular prospect, you will see a phone number status indicator which looks like a little telephone in this column. If you hover over the phone icon, the prospect's phone number will appear. If a phone number is not available for a particular prospect, this column will be blank. Sometimes, when you are working in your inbox, you will want to know what campaign a particular prospect is associated with. If a prospect was a part of one of your campaigns, you will see a green target icon in this fourth column from the left. If you hover your mouse over this campaign indicator icon, the name of the campaign associated with that prospect will be displayed, and you can click on the name of the campaign to go directly to that campaign's campaign view page. The next two columns are the first and last names of the prospect. You can click on either of these names to go directly to that prospect's profile on linkedin.com. You can also sort the inbox by first or last name by clicking on the first or last in the column header. The, the title company column shows whatever the prospect has declared on LinkedIn for their job title and the name of their company. If a company website is available, the company's name will be blue and you will be able to click on it to go directly to the company website. Next one is last activity column. This column is the default sort order of your inbox and will be set to last activity when you first visit your inbox page. When sorted by last activity, the most recent messages will appear at the top of your inbox. In addition to last activity, you can also sort your inbox by 9 different conversation statuses. The first two of these conversation statuses are set automatically. If a prospect has replied to your invitation to connect, the conversation status will automatically be set to all reply. If a prospect has replied to your invitation to connect and you have written back to them, the conversation will automatically be set to talking. The remaining of the conversation statuses are set manually by the user. You can use them if you want or ignore them. It is entirely up to you. They are there just as a tool for you to keep track of where a given prospect is in your sales process. Note that conversation status is passed to your campaign Google Sheet if you have Google Sheet synchronization enabled. This enables you to take actions on a prospect based on where they are in your sales process using any automation tool. The follow up on column provides an easy way to make a note for yourself of a date on which you want to follow up with a particular prospect. If you click once in the date field, a monthly calendar will appear. Simply select the desired date on the calendar and it will automatically be saved in the follow up on column so you can remember when you need to follow up with this prospect. The blue button at the right of the screen controls your message window. If there is an unread message from this prospect, this blue button will read unread. If there is no unread messages from this prospect, the blue button will read message like this. Press the blue button to bring up the message window. You can read, write, and send messages with this window.